Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add music to Instagram stories. Instagram music features are a simple and foolproof way to elevate your content. So, if you're wondering how to add music to your Instagram and feed post, keep watching. Adding music to your stories and posts is a great way to level up your Instagram content while also engaging your audience. Whether you want to spice up a photo, share underrated tracks, or enhance your meme content, adding music to your post is a no-brainer. Open the Instagram Stories camera and take a photo or video, or upload directly from your camera roll by tapping the square preview in the bottom left corner. Then, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen and choose the music sticker. This will open the Instagram Music Library where you'll find thousands of songs to choose from. Scroll through a For You tab of suggested songs, browse by category, or search for a specific song. Instagram's music library is filled with popular songs and artists like Beyoncé, Guns N' Roses, and Shawn Mendes. When you're happy with your song choice, you can fast forward and rewind through the track to choose the exact part that fits your story. You can also choose how long you want the music clip to play for. The maximum is 15 seconds. Now, it's time to format your chosen track. You have the option to display lyrics in a variety of fonts, pop in a cover, or tap the X for music only. Then tap Done to seal the deal. Now you're ready to post to Instagram stories. As usual, you can add GIFs, polls, or even hashtags. Tap the Your Story button at the bottom of your screen and you're all set. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching videos and see you guys for the next video.